Oxygen 2 innovation with an intention to reach every child introduces Robo Truck. Robo Truck is do-it-yourself robotic kit which enables a child to experience the joy of building, learning and applying this technology for a useful problem. This way the child gains confidence, recognition from parents and teachers. Also, the child's time is best spent in a constructive activity and being prepared for the future. Most importantly, it helps in preparing the child for the future. The kit comprises of mechanical and electronic modules packed in modular form for easy assembly. Kit building methodology. The kit can be assembled by following the video lectures and a self-explanatory manual. We also provide online support and on-call support from our team of experts led by AVM Ashok Singhal, who have substantial experience in implementing robotic technologies for Indian Defence Forces. Applications include at-home application to carry a Coke biscuits bottle from kitchen to the drawing room and up to the imagination of the child.
This is Robo Truck. It was fun making it. Sir, it was awesome. I learned about many new technologies and AI center, and it was a very fantastic moment for me. I feel very good and I experienced technology well with it. Many things about electronics, robotics and other aspects. By making this Robo Truck, I learned many new things. It was very good. It was very amazing.
Did you guys enjoy it?
Yes.
Good thumbs up. Yo. Yo, thumbs up. Thank you.
Give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Okay, very good.
So do you like to know who is the first? Big hand for them.